this. Oh, okay. Oh, the roof is looking really like a roof today. Oh, you know what? Let me check the weather on my phone. Ah, good weather. Oh, what's the Bitcoin price look like today? Let me log in on my computer to check.
Hi.
Huh?
I was just saying hi.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
Honestly, I'm just trying to work out.
Okay.
I just want to say before I say anything to the guy that I'm really sorry about what you went through there. It looked like a really traumatic experience. I just want you to know that we're all with you. We will fight against these perverts in the gym, just like the women did to us.
That's just how I be in the gym. It's so crazy, bro. I be so uncomfortable in the gym when a female come around, bro, because of all these females. I can't stand when guys look at me. Bro, I literally, when I see a female, I put my head down like this. Even when I'm working out, I put my head down. I swear to God, like, I feel so. I really wish that would have all men in gyms. I would definitely go there. Because, like, when a female come around, I just look the other way. Or if she come close to me, I just leave and go somewhere else. I do not like, I'll put my head down automatically. I don't look at them or nothing. Put my head down, I go the other way. Straight up.
Feral.
Now, in all seriousness, I like this guy. He doesn't get distracted by Muppets in the gym. He gives a lot of tips to younger guys. And most importantly, he understands this.
We must stay focused, brothers. We must stay focused.
Imagine thinking that a man is gonna make you happy.
LeBron James waited at an airport for like 3 hours. I never showed up.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
I know most girls would have hopped on that flight and they would have been sweating it. And I was like, yeah, no, bro. I found out you're married. I didn't even know. I don't watch sports, first of all. Anyone who knows me knows that I don't watch sports. So I didn't even really know.
When you do stuff like that, you gotta have receipts. You gotta have a phone recording, a message. If you speaking it, you gotta have receipts. You can't just be like, oh, LeBron James just won. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have receipts when you making claims like that.
Who he was. Yeah. I remember I had the sneakers one time, so I was like, oh, you're that guy.
Mm-hmm. She lied now.
And then I was like, he's married. I was like, oh no, this is gonna ruin my image.
We got another donut that's fluent in Japanese. LeBron James waited at the airport for 3 hours for you.
No, bro. Not true.
We're an all-in-one platform that gives you everything you need.
Stop the cap.
Not true.
Because I'm a man, I'm not affected by abortion. I shouldn't have an opinion on it.
Pretty much.
Are you affected in any way by the Holocaust?
Not personally, I'm not Jewish.
Do you think the Holocaust is bad?
I do.
So you have an opinion on something that doesn't directly affect you, right?
Gotcha.
My grandpa's heritage.
Wow. Turn off for me, can't swim. If you can't swim, honey, I mean, the earth is 80% water. So if there's a tsunami and you trying to get on my back, bye, bitch.
Bye, bitch.
Money over any day?
Hell yeah.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I think I'll take over money.
Maybe some days.
No way. No day.
No day.
They doing something to me.
Hey, you gotta get the bread first, man. Hey, if you ain't got the bread, you don't need to be going after no women, bro. You gotta get to the bread, man. I'm trying to tell you guys, man.
Rubbing it on my skin, my hair.
If you're choosing a random girl over making some money and bettering your situation and you're a muppet, you need to get your priorities sorted. I'm not saying money's the most important thing in the world, but it's a lot more important than pussy. With money, you can look after yourself and the people you care about. What can you do with pussy, bruv?
Trying to bring me my money.
Yeah!
I'm okay with trans women competing in women's sporting events. As long as I'm allowed to bet.
Hey, I'm with it. I'm with it.
Keep lying.
Wait, I don't know. That was like a glitch. That switching, that wasn't me. Don't be mad at me. That was the video. They was, I don't know. I guess I was trying to find the best video.
Whether it's their name in their face or whatever, it's dumb. It's stupid. Don't do it.
My mom always told me never show women how much you really care about her.
Porque te va a pisar así.
Porque es verdad. Tú le enseñas a la mujer que tú estás enamorado, que tú no puedes sin ella.
I think it's good to show women that you care about her, but you shouldn't show women that you need her, that you can't live without her. You've got to show that you're the type of man that doesn't need anyone, and the people that you have in your life are bonuses because you want them there. And unfortunately, yeah, there's some women that will take advantage of men when the man is too nice to them and panders to him. That's why I always say, don't pander to women, don't put them on a pedestal.
Like Steve Harvey, when you can't breathe without a woman. Shut up. Somebody I can't breathe. You'll be dead if you can't breathe. Talking about something, you know you love a woman when you can't breathe when she ain't around. Man, don't listen to that stupidness that foolish Steve Harvey be talking about. Simp Harvey.
Don't mean you don't respect him or care about him.
That boy got caught, baby. That boy got solid. That's what I'm talking about!
Go out there and become the type of person that when your feet touch the ground in the morning, the devil says, "Oh shit, he's up again."
You say you have W Riz.
Yeah, I totally do.
Dude, you can get a guy's number right now.
I'll get a guy's number. Hey, Kentucky, right? Mm-hmm. I like your chain. Where are you going tonight?
Meet up with my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend.
All right, on to the next, you know?
Hey, do you think I can get your number?
No, you don't want to do that.
Why not?
Because that's for fiance.
Most guys know what's going on when a random girl comes up to them, especially when there's a fucking camera behind them. But I did think to myself, I was like, at least she's having a bit of fun, at least she's trying to approach guys and whatever, until I saw this.
Hey, where are you going tonight?
Oh.
You don't even know. Can I get your number?
Sure. You want my number?
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
No last name? I mean, come on. What's that about?
What would you rate that interaction on a scale of 1 to 10?
Third interaction, I would never ever go up to that man, ever ask him for a number ever again.
Did you get the number though?
I did.
That's all that matters.
I'm going to delete this number from my phone.
Now I just think she's a complete knob for that, basically embarrassing the guy there and saying that he's disgusting. Your attitude's disgusting and you should be thankful because every other guy rejected you.
You're turning red.
Would you get married again?
No chance.
No chance.
No, it's the most stupid concept ever.
Yeah?
It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make sense. So it makes sense to women because women need security and need certainty. It makes no sense to men.
Now I've said many times before I'd never get married. I think it's dumb, but I actually think the idea of marriage is good. It's basically two people saying we're going to respect each other, we're not going to lie to each other.
I enjoy being married. I ain't gonna lie. I always wanted to be married. That was a goal of mine, and I achieved it. So if that's a goal of yours, ain't nothing wrong with it, man. Just make sure you marry the right one.
Not gonna fuck each other over. But I don't like signing a piece of paper for the government and then she can take all my shit, or it gets all complicated if we break up with who owns what and who owns this. I think that part is stupid.
On national TV, in front of the whole world. I need quiet for this. I need everybody to be quiet. Arian, Nicole Gazaway, can you brush my hair?
You foolish, man.
I'm too young for marriage.
We are in terrible times, bro. It's either stay single or share somebody, and nothing in between. This era sucks.
So desperate for attention, she's probably not even attracted to speed. She just knows that everything that he does goes viral, so she wants to go viral as well. I don't know what some of these girls' plans are though, because you grinding on some random streamer in the middle of the club is not going to get you famous and it's not going to get you rich.
It really ain't.
I always knew I was a slut. I was in kindergarten. I had 3 boyfriends at the same time. 2 of them had the same name. Chase and Tristan.
Jason and Tristan.
Yeah.
Shout out to you guys,
Yeah.
I guess.
I loved them. Showed them my underwear.
Have you ever
every
seen them
day.
since?
Seriously, what the fuck is wrong with these donuts? They've got some serious issues.
said
Get off
donut.
that
He called them
podcast and
donuts.
send it to Michael.
Get some help.
A lot of boys who become alcoholics, girls are a massive reason for it. There are some girls you meet in your life and you will just think about her and you will not be able to explain them.
Now I get there's a lot of people that turn to drink when times get tough, but you gotta think, if you turn to drink because of a woman, you can't blame the woman, you gotta blame yourself. You're using the drink to get over something that makes you sad. It's not her that's forcing it down your throat. I think if you wanna be a strong man, you can't let others have that power over you to say, oh look, I'm doing this because they made me sad or whatever.
Don't make excuses, don't blame
blame any other person or any other thing. Take ownership of everything in your world.
Right now.
Just being honest, said if it's smoke, I'll be right there. All of my dogs don't fight fair. I'm the Arabian dream.
She's got her boyfriend as her screensaver and she's kissing other men in a club. There's only one place she belongs.
She belongs to the streets. Hey. Hey, that was by that video was from Arco TV, man. Y'all go check them out. But hey, see you guys next video. Let's get